Unraveling Idioms, Chase Off, Made Simple. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're going to delve into a phrase that often pops up in English conversations, chase off. Whether you've heard it in a movie, a book, or in everyday dialogue, understanding this phrase can give you a real edge in grasping the nuances of the English language. So, let's not chase any more time away and get right into it. When we talk about chase off, we're referring to the act of forcing someone or something to leave a place. Think of it like scaring away a bird from your window. It's not just asking them to leave, it's a bit more forceful than that. It's important to note that chase off can be both literal, like chasing away animals, or figurative, like pushing someone to drop an idea. To truly grasp the usage of chase off, let's look at some examples. Literal sense, the farmer chased off the crows from his field. Figurative sense, the constant criticism from his peers chased him off from pursuing his dream of becoming a singer. As you can see, in both cases, there's an element of compulsion. It's about causing someone or something to retreat or go away. Let's break down the phrase even more. Chase. This word alone means to follow or run after someone or something, usually to catch them. Off. In this context, off is a particle that implies moving away from a place or position. When combined, chase off conveys a stronger action, making someone or something go away by pursuing them aggressively or assertively. Understanding synonyms can broaden your vocabulary. Here are a few: drive away, scare away, frighten off, ward off. Each of these can be used in different contexts but share a similar core meaning to chase off. Incorporating chase off into your daily English conversations can be quite simple. For example, don't let your fears chase you off from taking new opportunities. She managed to chase off the stray dogs with a loud noise. Remember, the key is to use it in situations where there's an element of forcefully causing something or someone to leave. And there we have it. You now know all about the phrase chase off and how to use it both literally and figuratively. Next time you come across this phrase, you'll not only understand what it means but might even find the perfect moment to use it yourself. Keep practicing, and don't let any obstacles chase you off your path to mastering English. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.